9:33. We had a big sell-off right before the market opened, and then another really big sell-off right after the market opened. I've just been staying out of the market so far this morning. I was looking to take a bounce trade at yesterday's close if it made it down that far, and I just was not quick enough, but it did bounce off of yesterday's close pretty much to the tick. Bounced up about 30 points right from yesterday's close so far. Just got into a short, got around 7 points. We had this special MMT volume level, this purple line from the key levels indicator. We had VWAP right here, hopped into a short right there. It just moved down over 50 points right from VWAP. We got some single bar divergence, point control drawn down into the wick, but this is not a trade I'm looking to take right now. Just had this massive move down. Got some high impact news coming out in less than 2 minutes. It might work. Break a 24. We got 10 points of room up to yesterday's close. Alright, we moved up to yesterday's close, but this is a news candle. Wouldn't really want to be holding through news. We had some more single bar divergence right before the news. Heiken Ashi background was green. Broke above. Made it up over 10 points to the 20 SMA. Got a bunch of delta coming into the upside, but big cluster of key levels. And I'm really not looking for a long at the moment. Just got into a short on this candle, but I hit the dreaded market close button. Got a terrible fill. I don't even know if I got a point or two. It moved down over 10 points from where I got in. Moved down about 20 points from where I got in. I saw us moving back below the 20 SMA here. Tons of negative delta coming in. Had plenty of room down to the next key level. Should have been a good trade. 10 o'clock news just came out. I have not taken another trade, just been waiting for the news. We've been doing a whole lot of nothing the past 10 minutes. Came right down to yesterday's point of control and bounced up 50 points. This yesterday's point of control level is part of the key levels indicator. It also prints previous day's point of controls beyond that as well. I got into a short when I saw this negative delta coming in. I was up about 30 bucks right away, and instead of hitting the market close button, I waited, tried to drag up my take profit, but then it started retracing. So in this case, I probably should have hit the market close button. I ended up waiting in the trade for several minutes. I should have just got out immediately when it wasn't going in my favor. I also should have just stayed in longer. Came back down into some good profit. But once we came down pretty close to break even, I got out. I lost 5 points, but I had 2 micros on it, so basically at break even for the day. And there I would have got my full 10 points if I would have been able to wait in the trade for around 8 minutes. I just got into a short. I went in with 2 micros again. Got the full 10 points. Up $40 on the day, and I just realized I did not sign into my take profit account today. We had point of control drawn up into the wick on this candle right at yesterday's point of control. We broke through yesterday's point of control here, and now it was acting as resistance. Also on the 5-minute chart, when the 5-minute candle was closing, we had a lot of negative delta here. I went in for a short, dropped down over 15 points, so I got my full 10-point target there. That might be the last trade. I didn't like how I traded this back here. I had my stop at 0.99, right above this previous day VWAP close. Not a very good risk to reward ratio. I don't put too much weight on the risk to reward ratio, but I do prefer to get out of trades quicker when they're not going my way. Especially when I'm scalping for 5 to 10 points. Gotta keep the losses small. It's after 10:30. I'm going to be done for the day. I did try one more short here. I was up 5 points, hit the market close button, and it only gave me about 1.5 points when I hit the market close. Looks like we're coming down anyway. Kind of a mediocre day of trading for me. Wasn't feeling like I was at the top of my game. Still dealing with the whole lack of sleep issue on the regular. Life stuff, the things that happen beyond the charts. Often the most important part of trading. I'm trying to move away from the West Coast, get to somewhere else more in tune with my own natural rhythms. I have a lot of friends here and it's just hard to want to pick up and do something entirely different. But also pretty exciting too. I go back and forth between being super excited to go travel and just wanting to chill. We'll see what happens. If I'm going to be serious about my trading, definitely need to change some things. Hope everyone has a great weekend. If you're about to grab any prop accounts and you feel like using code MonkeyMan, you help support the channel. I've got links to all the fun toys in the description. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.